Yo, Packible here, and adding to the quick tip series. So I got some stuff, and it's not mine. It's actually from Packibletool. He sent this stuff off to me. It's not sponsored, but I also didn't pay for it. Thanks a lot, Alex. So it's the Joey, which mounts to the front. I'll show you what that's for. I'm also going to show you, and I might break it up in some other clips, I've got a level lizard and the cord cobra, which is like his first products. So this is going to be a how to install. So what it is you've got the Packout rolling bottom, and you don't want your stack to get too tall, right? So you want to add some items to the front. So you take your crate, and because your crate has these back locking parts, you lock these onto the front. Well, to do that, you got to attach this bracket. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to get this put on, and while we're doing that, we're also going to go ahead and install the level lizard. So here we go. All right, so first thing, you have to use the install driver with the jake stand to get these off. It doesn't work any other way. So there's 2 screws on the top, and you just pop loose. They stay in. And then there's 2 screws on the bottom. Okay, so then what I like to do is I leave these in, but I just slide them down like that. All right, so now if you look at the hole pattern, you can see you want to put the double bracket on the top, the other one on the bottom. So I'll do it on this side first. Slide that on. Now since I'm not installing the level lizard on this side, I can go ahead and slide this up. Alright, so on this side I'm installing the level lizard. And I'll show you the install for this real quick. It's pretty simple. You do the same exact thing, but you're only doing it on one side. You undo the top screw, undo the bottom screw. The bottom bracket is the one that has a bottom in it. And I modified this bracket a little bit to get it to go down further so that my bracket, and I'll show you when I get the thing up a little bit more. Now I put the bottom Packible aluminum bracket on. Then I put the top, and then I put the top level lizard bracket on. So for now, I'm just getting them on enough to put the screws back in. So again, install driver, put the bottom in on both sides. Now you can turn this thing back up. Okay. I tighten these tops. Okay. So I am not going to put the supplied screws in because it punctures a hole in here. And honestly, once I put this bracket on, you'll see I don't need to use them. But he does supply the screws you need for that. Now, for the rest of this, it's pretty simple. These slide up and down, and then there's locking set screws. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the bottom in first. So just get yourself an Allen, start your screw. Leave it loose. Go to your other side. It's a little bit crooked. So now I'll raise this up to get it at the same level to where these screw holes line up now. Again, I'm leaving everything loose until I get all of the aluminum brackets to where all of the screws are in and almost to the point where they're snug down. Now see, when I raise this bracket up, it's not going to let the level lizard fall down any more than that. That's one of the reasons why I'm not going to use the screws that he includes. Okay, and what I was talking about earlier is I want this as down as far as possible, and I'll show you why. If you put this on the front, and you engage it in, and you still want to be able to access your latches, see how it can clear? Like I was saying, see how it can clear the pack out? It's only going to clear the pack out if you put this aluminum bracket down far enough. So on mine, I snugged this one all the way to my level lizard. I brought this one up to where it looked right. And now, I'll just tighten all these up. And then, there's, like I said, a teeny set screw. And this doesn't drill through this, it just sort of tightens onto the aluminum rail. On all four corners. So, there's it installed. You have a level lizard, hold on there. Not going anywhere. And then you got the Joey. Again, take your Joey, drop it in there. And if you install it down low enough like I did, you can still get into your bottom box without taking your crate off the pack out. So, as I said at the beginning, this is from Packibletool. This is not mine, but I just wanted to show you guys how to install it. I also want to thank you, Alex, for sending this stuff out. Fits great. It's an easy install, as you guys can see. There was no editing in this video. It's just as you see it. So, I'm the Jake of all, and these are Packouts. Oh, and this is a Packout. Have a good one. Easy. You're a good pug. Good pug. Good pug. Good pug. There, just got my outtake for the night.